Understanding the spirit of fraternity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that carries a lot of warmth and unity: spirit of fraternity. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, from literature to speeches about human rights. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Stay tuned. First, let's break down the phrase, spirit of fraternity, into two parts. The word, spirit, here refers to the underlying intentions, attitudes, or essence of something. It's not about ghosts or the supernatural. Think of it as the heart, or soul, of a concept. Fraternity is a less common word that signifies a group of people sharing a common profession or interests, but it's often used to express a sense of brotherhood, mutual support, and solidarity. Combining these, spirit of fraternity encapsulates a feeling of brotherhood and mutual kindness that goes beyond mere association. It speaks to a deep, heartfelt bond that encourages people to support and care for each other as if they were family. Understanding the spirit of fraternity is essential because it underpins the values of equality, respect, and empathy in society. This spirit is crucial in building communities that value each member's welfare, ensuring that everyone feels supported, respected, and valued. In historical and contemporary contexts, the spirit of fraternity has been a rallying cry for movements seeking to eradicate discrimination, promote peace, and foster a sense of global citizenship among people of different backgrounds, cultures, and nationalities. It encourages us to look beyond our differences and work together for the common good. How can you incorporate the spirit of fraternity into your communication? Here are a few examples. In speeches or writings, we must embrace the spirit of fraternity to overcome the challenges we face as a community. In daily conversations, let's not forget the spirit of fraternity. Helping our neighbors in times of need strengthens our bonds. In academic and professional settings, this project reflects our commitment to the spirit of fraternity, highlighting the importance of teamwork and mutual support. The spirit of fraternity is more than just a phrase. It's a guiding principle that can help us build a more compassionate, understanding, and united world. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and significance, and you feel inspired to carry this spirit into your daily lives. Remember, every small act of kindness contributes to a larger wave of positive change. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and let the spirit of fraternity guide your way forward.